fun holiday party idea, and all of the shots are based on popular drinks, so there's sure to be something that most everyone will like. You can serve it on the man-made snow made in a blender like I did, because not only does it look cute, all of the shots taste better when they're cold. If you have a recessed tray similar to mine, you could serve it in that, or you could simply serve it in a bowl of your homemade snow surrounded by some appetizers. The first test tube shots are garnished with candy canes, so they need to be upright. The other test tubes are capped with dots gumdrops, which are also a great chaser after a strong shot. And then a recessed tray or bowl holds the melted snow. If you saw my Halloween video for the Blue Vial cocktail, you already know this, but I got 20 of these test tubes from Amazon for $6.99. For each of these shots, it only takes 2 teaspoons to fill a test tube, so I'm going to go ahead and make it as a cocktail, and then we'll scoop the teaspoons out of that. For this first one with the candy cane in it, you'll have to keep those definitely upright. The other ones have those dots candy in them as a stopper, but this one looks cool as a garnish and works because the candy cane barely melts at all. So these first shots are a cocktail called the Polar Bear After 8, and they taste exactly like an Andes Mint. They're fantastic. I'm going to add ice to a shaker. It's 1/2 peppermint schnapps, 1/2 crème de cacao, to 1 full whole milk. And you can use cream or whole milk, but the whole milk comes out of the shooter better because it's more liquid, and it really does taste as good as cream. Shake that till it's really cold. I'm always shaking it longer than you're seeing on the video. And that would be a Polar Bear After 8. So for each shot, you only need 2 teaspoons. It's actually just shy of 2 teaspoons. The next one is similar to a kamikaze, and it's really delicious too. To a clean shaker, I'm adding the ice, 1/3 lemon vodka, 1 part triple sec, and 1 part limeade. I just mixed up a pitcher of frozen limeade, but the Simply limeade is really good too. Shake that up. And this goes perfectly in the test tube with the lime dots candy because it tastes like lemon, lime, and orange. Fill with 2 teaspoons and cap them with the dots candy. And this one is just half cranberry juice, half vodka. I chose cranberry vodka for this one because it's perfect for the holidays, and you could put a little garnish on your tray like I did of the cranberries or real fresh cranberries. And these last ones I call gingerbread shots. They're half spiced rum, half ginger ale. I shake that very gently because I don't want the fizz to go out. Isn't that a gorgeous gingerbread color? And it tastes fantastic. And now I'm going to make my snow. To make my snow, I pulse it in the blender. Now I have a Vitamix, and I know that the Vitamix blender can handle it. You do it on the snowflake setting. And I think the BlendTech can do it as well because I used to have that, but please check your manual so you don't burn out the motor. And we have snow. Then I position the shots like this. Your party's gonna be a huge success. These are fantastic. And you gotta make this. And to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.